So good morning, everybody. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, USA. Good evening in the USA. Mahimo ba mo request ko? May I request, especially the young ones, to stay here in front? The young ones. And the not so young ones may remain seated where they are now. Please. Come on, because this is not my celebration, but this is everybody's celebration. Come on. Ako lang gustong ipasabot sa tanan. Na kining atong gibuhat karon, dili ni para namo lang kundi dili para natong tanan. And we would like to convey this to you, the young ones, that in a matter of time, this is going to be handed over to you. And that is why we are encouraging everybody to participate in this, to be involved in this. Remember, life is a gift of God to us through our ancestors. And what we do with our lives, how we remember them, is our gift back to the Lord, again, through our ancestors. So, kining tanan nga batan-on karon, please lend me your ears, because sooner or later, we are going to hand over the reins to you. We are not staying here forever. What we are doing here is to remember our forefathers, remember our ancestors, because we wouldn't be here if not for them. Do I hear a yes from you?
Yes.
Of course. We wouldn't be here if not for them. So this is a way of thanking them through celebrating this Memorial Day, in honoring them, in remembering them, and committing ourselves to remember this day throughout the generations to come. So palihog lang, we're going to have a bigger celebration next year, because I'm sure na nato ang mga compatriots diya sa USA will be coming home to the Philippines to celebrate it with us. This celebration will be done together with them. So dako atong pipalahunon next year. Pero kinahanglan sab nato ang participation sa mga batan-on. We would like to encourage you to invite everybody in the family to be here. Amen.
Amen.